Hi friends, I am Tilak. You're watching Tech May Be Unique, and today we're going to see how to add number of sheets, how to add one more, two more sheets on your Microsoft Excel web. And if you are new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video.
So how to add the sheets on your Microsoft Excel web. So first of all, you just try to log in into your Microsoft 365 account, and you can just use the Excel sheet here like this. So here this will be opened here, so you will see the sheets. This is the first sheet. You can add multiple sheets. You can just click on this plus symbol to add more sheets. You can see you can just add the sheets by using this plus option given below. So you can add more sheets how you that you used. So you can use this to have a budget report, and this for the sales report, and this for the tally report. You can just switch between the number of sheets. You can also rename it, delete it, and rearrange it by using the option given below. Right click here, you will see a lot of option about the sheets. You can just use it. So you can just click on the plus symbol to add more sheets. This is how you just add sheets on your Microsoft Excel online web. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet our next video with the super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech May Be Unique. Have a wonderful day.